Which of the following is an example of perfect competition? Answer A. Agriculture. According to which economics, price of a commodity is determined by the forces of demand and supply? Answer C. Marshall. Which is a characteristic of the market? Answer D. All the above. A rational consumer is a person who, answer A, has perfect knowledge of the market. What is price line? Answer C, the MR curve. Other name by which average revenue curve known? Answer D, demand curve. Administrative price is? Answer C, both A and B. Which of the following is a feature of perfect competition? Answer D, all the above. None of these rent is equal to? Answer A, actual income minus transfer earnings. Beyond producers equilibrium when MR less MC, the firm earns only? Answer C, abnormal loss. The concept of supply curve is relevant only for? Answer C, perfect competition. What should firm do when marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost? Answer A, firm should expand output. The elasticity at a point on a straight line, supply curve passing through the origin making an angle of 45 degree will be? Answer D, 1.0. What is price line? Answer C, the MR curve. In the perfectly competitive market, in the long run competitive prices equal the minimum possible dash cost of good? Answer A, average. Market situation where there is only one buyer is? Answer B, monopsony. Other name by which average revenue curve known? Answer D, demand curve. Can MR be negative or zero? Answer A, yes. In perfect competition, a firm? Answer B, obtains price. In perfect competition, which of the following curves generally lies below the demand curve and slopes downward? Answer C, marginal revenue. A producer's equilibrium is a situation when? Answer B, MR is equal to MC. In which market is AR equal to MR? Answer A, perfect competition. Price of a commodity is determined at a point where? Answer C, demand equals supply. How many categories of production duration have been made by the Marshall on the basis of supply? Answer B, 3. A firm can sell as much as it wants at the market price. The situation is related to? Answer C, perfect competition. Market price is found in? Answer A, short period market. Profits of the firm will be more at? Answer C, both of above. Excess demand can be seen in? Answer C, highest fixed price. The concept of supply curve is relevant only for? Answer C, perfect competition. Which one of the following is true for monopoly? Answer D, all the above. A competitive firm in the short run incurs losses. The firm continues production if answer D, P greater than equal to ABC. A seller cannot influence the market price under answer A, perfect competition. The elasticity at a point on a straight line, supply curve passing through the origin will be answer B, 1.0. In perfect competition in the long run dash, answer B, there is no profit and no loss for the firm. What does a monopolist market show? Answer C, nature of market.